Hi, I'm April with WTI.
There is no time like the present to start taking better care of ourselves. I have found the gold standard of colostrum in Fasted Athlete's PureGold. In just over 2 weeks, I have found that my digestive and sleep patterns have improved, which has led me to increased energy, and that allows me to work out more consistently. I love that these are packaged in single serving sizes, makes it easy for on the go, and the fact that they mix in so well. I mix mine with a little cool water and it literally just tastes like water. I appreciate knowing that I have 100% pure colostrum from grass-fed cows in New Zealand. Fasted Athlete's PureGold Colostrum provides me with the nutrients, probiotics, and digestive enzymes that my body needs to repair and rejuvenate. If you're looking to nourish and improve yourself from the inside out, this amazing superfood could be just what you need.
And that's my point of view.